To change the infant chest skin, remove the clothing to expose the infant's chest. Starting at the infant's shoulders, gently pull the skin off of the attachment posts, working your way down the chest. Then remove the chest skin and pick up the replacement. Be careful not to move the position of the inflatable lungs when initially placing the chest skin on the mannequin. Starting at the bottom of the infant and working up toward the shoulders, gently pull the mounting holes of the chest skin over the attachment posts. Then reattach any clothing.